Meet the ROVSUN 30 full automatic washing machine and 3.5 CUFT portable clothes dryer set, an efficient, compact laundry duo washer. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this laundry set in the description below at the latest price. This combo unit isn't just about space efficiency, it's designed to give you powerful, convenient laundry care in the comfort of your own home. Let's start with the washer. The ROVSUN full automatic washing machine handles an impressive 25 pounds of laundry in a single cycle, while offering 8 wash programs in 8 water level settings. That means it can adapt to a variety of fabrics and soil levels, from delicate garments to activewear and heavy loads. With a quick 26-minute wash option, it's built for convenience, especially when you're short on time. The stainless steel inner tub is designed for durability and fabric protection, minimizing wear and tear on your clothing. And thanks to its front-loading access, loading and unloading is easy and ergonomic. Once your clothes are washed, the 3.5 CUFT electric portable dryer steps in with high-efficiency drying capabilities. This unit can handle up to 13.2 pounds of laundry and runs on 1300 watts of power, heating up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit to quickly and thoroughly dry your clothes. Whether you're dealing with rainy days or tight schedules, this means you can wash and wear your clothes all in the same day, no need to wait for natural air drying. The dryer's multiple speed settings and advanced air exchange system help ensure your garments come out fresh, soft, and free from lingering moisture or odors. A standout feature is the dryer's modern LCD touchscreen interface. Replacing traditional knobs with responsive touch controls makes selecting modes and adjusting temperature a smooth, intuitive experience. This level of precision control is rarely seen in compact units, making it feel like a premium appliance packed into a portable design. The dryer also features a built-in multi-filtration system, which actively captures lint and pet hair, ideal for households with pets or those sensitive to allergens. Together, this washer and dryer set is more than just a convenience, it's a time-saving, energy-efficient solution tailored to meet modern living demands. Whether you're a college student, a city dweller, or someone simply looking for a powerful compact laundry solution, the ROVSUN washer and dryer combo offers everything you need to keep your clothes clean, soft, and ready to wear at a moment's notice. Designed with both performance and practicality in mind, this set is proof that small spaces don't have to compromise on quality.